Hello carpet cleaners, John Williams here from AGB, and today I want to talk about why your carpet cleaning ads on Facebook are not working. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name's John Williams. Like I said, I am the CEO of a company called AGB, or Ads Grow Business, and we specialize in digital marketing for the carpet cleaning industry. We have worked with hundreds and hundreds of carpet cleaners across the USA and worldwide, and we continue to do so. Over the last 12 months alone, we've spent over $2 million on paid advertising for carpet cleaners. So we really know exactly what works, what doesn't. We've tested literally everything. And I personally believe there isn't another company on this planet that has spent as much as we have, that has done as much testing as we have, that has run as many carpet cleaning paid advertising campaigns as we have in the world. So we really know what we're talking about. And the purpose of these videos is not for me to sell you anything. I simply want to give back to the carpet cleaning community as much free value as I humanly can. Nothing makes me happier than seeing you guys be successful. So anything that I can do to help you guys take things to the next level, that's what I'm here to do. So let's dive in. Why are your Facebook ads not working? Why are you not driving results, inquiries, bookings, so on and so forth? What I found in the years and years of doing this, it's not the fact that the ads are not working. It's actually quite simple. It's that your pricing isn't quite right and it's not hitting home on Facebook. Well, there's really two reasons. Like, number one, if you're not following up quick enough, that could be a thing, right? If you're getting inquiries, if people are clicking on your ad and then you're getting back to them and they're not responding to you, it could be because you're not following up quick enough. I do have another video, go and check that out, talking about following up. There's a load of golden nuggets in there that's going to help you with that. That's the first thing to look out for. The second thing is, if you're giving the price in Messenger and people are not responding to you, it could be that your pricing is off. It could be that you've got 5 other guys in your area that are charging anything from $10, $20, $30 less than you are, and they're targeting the same people. So that's why no one's clicking on your ad, because you're just too expensive, or they're coming into Messenger, they're getting a price from you and it's just too expensive. Like I say, the way to know that is that if you've got a special in the ad copy there, price, people aren't clicking on your ad, that's probably the thing that's putting them off more than anything else. If people are clicking on your ad and asking for a price, or when you give them the price, they go quiet, it's definitely the price. So the question is, how do we resolve that? How do we get over that? How do we fix that problem? So you've got a couple of options here. Number one is obvious, and I know this is like hard to stomach and it pisses you off. Number one is obviously reduce the price to something more competitive. You definitely don't want to be the cheapest guy on planet Earth, obviously, and I'm not here to tell you, look man, you need to be like super cheap, like a proper crappy cheap carpet cleaner. No way, Jose. But simply dropping your prices by as little as $10 could make the difference. And if you've got a pricing issue with your Facebook ads, and that's why people aren't clicking on it, this is what I would do. I would go onto Google, type carpet cleaner your location, so carpet cleaner Miami, carpet cleaner Fort Lauderdale, carpet cleaner Los Angeles, whatever, and then go to Google My Business, go to the top 20 carpet cleaners. First of all, go on their website. If they've got any specials running, screenshot that. I would then go and try and find these guys, 20 carpet cleaners in your area's Facebook pages, and then I would go and see if they're running any Facebook specials on their Facebook pages. And then I would take it a step further than that. If you Google Facebook ads library and then you type in that company name, it's going to tell you if they're running Facebook ads, and you're going to be able to see the pricing that they've got in there and do a comparison and see. And you're going to know straight away, look, I've got 20 carpet cleaners here, and it could be that there's a huge difference in pricing between what you're trying to charge and what your competitors are trying to charge. It could be that it's quite small, and just bringing it down slightly just might help you fall into line and then get your ads working right and get some inquiries through the door. So that's the first thing that I would do, sort of ascertain what your competitors are doing. If you'd like to find out more about working with us, about how we can work directly with you to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, click the link down below. You can check out our website, check out our testimonials, and schedule a time to talk to us. No obligations, no pressure. We just love meeting you guys, love sharing value, and we'll show you what we can do. And if you want to take it further, that's absolutely fine. We do have limited spots. It's an exclusive service, so do schedule a time now if you would like to find out a little bit more about that. Peace. See you soon. See you on the other side.